Last week, a guy built an open-source AI agent framework in his bedroom, OpenClaw. 7 days later, Sam Altman hired him. Not in a month, not after a funding round. 7 days. From hobby project to OpenAI employee. That's how fast this is moving. And now OpenClaw is becoming a foundation. Open, independent, with OpenAI's money behind it. Translation. Meanwhile, an 18-year-old kid decided to run his own AI company. 9 AI employees, working 24/7, a chief strategy officer named Jarvis, a trend analyst, a casino with a command line, all running on cloud credits. Day 6, nearly bankrupt. 9 agents pinging APIs all night. Fallback models glitching. Token costs exploding while he slept. He woke up to a drained wallet and a system on fire. He calls it a learning experience. You quoddle. But here's the part nobody's paying attention to. While kids burn money on AI toys, corporations are doing something much quieter. They're recording everything you do at work, every email you write, every customer interaction, every click in your virtual desktop. And they're feeding it all to AI models. You're not just doing your job, you're training your replacement for free. Think about that for a second. A company gives you a virtual desktop. You log in every day, handle tickets, write emails, close deals. And the whole time, an AI is watching, learning your patterns, your language, your decision-making. When the model is good enough, they don't need you anymore. You trained it. You made yourself obsolete. And they didn't even have to tell you. This is what the AI agent gold rush actually looks like. It's not 9 bots on a kid's Mac Mini. It's corporations quietly harvesting human expertise and packaging it into software. OpenAI didn't hire the OpenClaw guy because they love open source. They hired him because agents are the next cash machine. Every API call is a token. Every token is revenue. Every token is revenue. Every excited kid spinning up bots is a paying customer. The product isn't the agent. And the speed of this? OpenClaw didn't exist 2 weeks ago. Now it's inside OpenAI. Korea is already flagging security risks. RAM prices are spiking from AI demand alone. We're not at the start of a trend. We're in the middle of a stampede. And most people don't even know they're on the track. Share this if it made you think. Subscribe if you want to keep watching. I'll be here, watching the Singularity until there's nothing left to watch.